Hello guys, this is the extension which I created to analyze YouTube videos easily. So to use this extension, you need to download the extension from here, download as a zip. After download the extension, you have to unzip this extension and you will find a folder like this and files inside that folder. Then what you want to do, you have to go to your browser. It's Google Chrome or Edge browser. You can go to manage extension section and it will open a page like this, and you need to enable the developer mode, and then you need to drag and drop this folder to here. I already installed that, and you can see it's installed like this. After installing the plugin, you need to pin that plugin by clicking this icon. I already pin it, so you will find the icon like this. Then you need to click on that icon and go to settings. In the settings section, there are several fields, but these are the essential. You need to enter your Google API keys, which you can take from Google AI Studio. In here, you can get the API key by clicking this button and so on. I suggest you to get the one key from one Google account. And if you are using about 10 keys, you need to use 10 Google accounts, because there are certain rate limits if you are using free accounts. So that's the best practice which you can use this analyzer unlimited times per day. Also, I need to mention, if we enter 10 API keys, the API keys will be rotated according to your request. So if you are free user, your rate limit will not exceed your free tier. Then you need to choose the default prompt analyze plugin prompt. So I choose this one, a longer video brief, and you can practice by switching these prompts as you want. And then you need to go to YouTube and refresh your home page. Then you will find a page like this, maybe different from my one. And I'm going to analyze using this video using our extension, and you will see the video will load and it will open analyzing process. It will take few seconds to grab this video information, and then it will send to Google Gemini to process this video. You can see this video is a long one. It's about 23 minutes. Let's wait until it will till it's analyzed, and it will not take about 1 minute or 2 minutes, but about 10 to 15 seconds it will analyze this video. And let's wait. You can see the analyze is already complete, and you can see the result, and you can click those timestamps to switch to that relevant times of the video, and the analyzing result will be different when you are using another prompt here. You can add your own custom prompt as you want, and you can watch these prompts to understand how the prompt is structured, and you can your own prompt, and also you can add your own models here. normally model ID means when you are go to Google AI Studio and go choose your Gemini model, and you can see the model ID. This is the model ID of 2.5 Pro. If you want to another model, let's if you take this model, you need to give this ID to here and add the model. I only added 3 IDs as default. If you want more models to try different models with different things, you can use you can add that model to this section, and there are some other settings if you want to try, and give me your comment about my AI and YouTube video analyzer. Thank you.